have everybody crowded into one space with limited air conditioning. Everyone just slowly breathe so everyone is comfortable. My name's Clayton. I'm a guest in this house as well sometimes with my wife, depending upon my behavior. Welcome everyone. I want to thank everybody for attending. And this evening is an opportunity to blend a mix of what's going to get together tomorrow. The goal of this entire premise was an opportunity to bring unique minds, amazing women together, and then I was asked to join, which involved bringing a couple guys, which then has led to this environment. So I want to say welcome, thank you. Keep in mind one key premise, and one thing that I've learned from my wife of many things, that we are all connected. The goal of this entire approach is to take many unique skills, many unique talents. Each of you is invited here for your gifts, your skills, your uniqueness, your amazing personality, your photogenic nature. But the opportunity for everybody to come together for identifying a mission, vision, purpose that can be aligned, because we are all community, and that is the goal. And with that, I give you my wife, Dr. Christina Rahm, my favorite person.
So thank you everyone for coming, and tomorrow we have a great day of scientists, business people, spiritual people, amazing individuals coming together to really help with global solutions. And I just have to say a special thank you to Karen Floyd. I'm not going to cry. I'm just going to say thank you. I have such a wonderful group of women that I work with throughout the United States and throughout the world, that I'm so thankful for what we're doing to really bring changes in all areas, whether it's health, wellness, or business. So I had the pleasure, and if you guys don't know Anita Zucker, look her up. She is one of the most influential people, not just women, I want to say that, people in the world, not in the United States, but in the world. And she and I connected right away. Her husband was a scientist and a businessman. She was an educator. When he died, she was left with her children and the business, and people doubted what she could do for the world with all of that influence. He had 300 and something patents in science, and Anita took it. She did some acquisitions and mergers, she built some things, and now she has a conglomeration, I can't say the word, and she's doing things for people all over the world. And again, not just one of the most powerful influential, not just in the United States, but throughout the world. And her heart is so good. And I have to tell you, usually women or men that reach that level of life lose some of that. And she didn't, and she hasn't. And I just want to say thank you. And beautiful Karen Floyd.
And my beautiful Christina and Anita. Thank you all so very much for being here. It's really our privilege to have a small role in this. Elysian was founded 10 years ago, and our ethos is women inspiring women. And I have to tell you candidly, Christina inspires me, and what many of you don't know is that today she started very early. She worked so hard the entire day, raced home, threw on some clothes, and here she is, this incredible woman. And she seems like this swan, just so elegant. No one understands how fast she's paddling underneath the water, and so she does inspire. But Anita Zucker is really our cover. And she was chosen by a group of people because she personifies everything that we hope Elysian stands for, which is grace. It is success in her own way. She is philanthropic beyond what most people would ever dream. And she gives back both internally and externally. And I will tell you, she sets an example for all of us. So I'm going to ask our sweet Christina Purvis. We're going to do a countdown, but before I do that, how many of you have a drink in your hand? I think it's really important that we toast our host and hostess of this event, Clayton and Christina. So before we do anything else, I think it's really important that we toast them. I'm going to do 3, 2, 1, and then I want you all to say cheers as loud as you can in honor of Clayton and Christina. So 3, 2, 1, cheers! All right, now for the big reveal of our lovely Anita Zucker, and I'm going to get out of the way so you all can do this. Anita has not seen it, I can just tell you, so she has some trepidation. But this beautiful woman, ladies and gentlemen, Anita Zucker. And with that, grab some magazines on the porch, enjoy yourselves, and let's have the most amazing leadership session tomorrow we can. Here's the most beautiful lady.
Okay, that brought tears to my eyes because I haven't seen it. And my family's not here tonight, so you're all my family tonight. Thank you for this beautiful moment. And Karen, wow, thank you. This has been, first of all, it's been a while since we did this and we put all this together. And I didn't know what I was coming to here, and so tomorrow's going to be special. Hopefully we have a lot to talk about, and I can't wait. And I was lucky enough to do a podcast with you, Christina, yesterday. We could have kept talking.
It was an hour and 15 minutes. This was 20 minutes.
And, you know, sometimes you hit it off with certain people, and it took me a while to even let Karen back into my life because we met a lot of years ago, and I guess I was ready for it, and my life really changed. And you know, I have to say that 16 years ago I lost a wonderful husband, the person you were describing, and he left me with a lot of things that helped me know what to do, and you're going to hear about them tomorrow, those who are participating, so I'll talk about those more tomorrow. But I do have somebody else in my life again, which he also told me I needed to do, and he didn't get to come with me today. But at the same time, it's wonderful to have a partner in your life and to have great children and grandchildren. I have 7 grandchildren and 3 kids, and they are not going to believe this. And I'm really blown away, and I just can't say enough thank yous to all of you for being here, and again for being such great hosts and hostesses for this. What a beautiful event. Thank you. And Karen, you really made it happen.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah.